I can explain declarative syntax in the context of React.js in easy-to-understand terms. In React.js, declarative syntax refers to a way of writing code to describe what your user interface should look like, rather than specifying how to achieve that appearance step by step. It's like giving high-level instructions to React, and then React takes care of the details. Here's a simple breakdown. Declarative versus imperative. Imperative: in imperative programming, you tell the computer exactly how to do something, step by step. It's like giving someone a recipe and specifying every little action they should take. Declarative: in declarative programming, you describe what you want to achieve, but you don't specify every single step. It's more like telling someone what you want to eat, and they prepare it for you without needing you to explain each cooking step. React's declarative approach. React encourages a declarative approach to building user interfaces. You describe the desired UI state, and React figures out how to update the actual DOM, the web page, to match that state. For example, in React, you might say, I want a button to turn green when it's clicked, rather than manually instructing how to change the button's color when clicked. Virtual DOM. Under the hood, React uses a virtual DOM to achieve this declarative syntax. It keeps a virtual representation of the real DOM, and when the state of your application changes, it calculates the most efficient way to update the real DOM. You don't have to manually manipulate the DOM elements. React handles this for you based on your declarations. In summary, React's declarative syntax simplifies UI development by allowing you to focus on describing how you want your UI to look and behave, while React handles the behind-the-scenes work of updating the web page efficiently. It promotes a more structured and maintainable way of building web applications. Certainly. Let's explain declarative syntax in React.js with an easy example. Imagine you want to change the text color of a button when it's clicked. In an imperative approach, not declarative, you might do something like this in plain JavaScript. Here, you're giving step-by-step instructions. When the button is clicked, change its color to green. Now, let's see how React's declarative syntax simplifies this. In this declarative example, 1. We declare a MyButton component in React. 2. We use the useState hook to manage the button's click state, whether it's clicked or not. 3. We have a handleButtonClick function that changes the isClick state to true when the button is clicked. 4. The button's text color is determined by the value of isClicked. If it's true, the color is green, otherwise, it's black. 5. We return JSX code that describes how the button should look and behave. We specify that when clicked, call the handleButtonClick function. Here's the key point: in the declarative approach, we're not giving step-by-step instructions on how to change the button's color. Instead, we declare the desired behavior and appearance based on the state, isClicked, and React takes care of updating the DOM accordingly. This is the declarative syntax in React.js, where you express what you want to happen rather than explicitly programming how it should happen. Thank you. See you next lesson.